Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Adventures of Bong Solo. To my subscribers, many thanks. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. Today's episode is about shooting cinematic videos and compelling photos using iPhone 11 Pro Max with DJI Osmo Mobile 3. This is my adventure in Singapore's Pulau, Ubin. As a budding travel or adventure vlogger, one of the challenges I had is to capture cinematic videos and compelling photos. Most of the time, they are shaky or blurry. It was frustrating. On the second thought, it's not, because they have now become part of my learning process. Listed below in the description box, the tools I use to produce these videos and still photos. Without much ado, please enjoy Singapore's nature made alive by this poetic and cinematic expression. Alright folks, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, again, please like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon, then choose all, so you are notified for the upcoming videos. Okay, until then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Bong Solo. Thanks for watching.